Identify the type of chemical reaction. This is a redox, oxidation-reduction, reaction occurring in an acidic aqueous solution. To balance it properly, we must use the half-reaction method. Write the oxidation half-reaction and balance it. Zinc metal is oxidized to zinc ions. Zn gives Zn to the power 2 plus to balance the plus 2 charge on the right side. Add 2 electrons, e to the power negative, to the products. Zn gives Zn to the power 2 plus 2 e to the power negative. Write the reduction half-reaction and balance it. Nitrate ions are reduced to ammonium ions. Number 3 to the power negative gives NH4 to the power plus balance oxygen. Add 3 H2O molecules to the product side to balance the 3 oxygen atoms in nitrate. Number 3 to the power negative gives NH4 to the power plus 3 H2O balance hydrogen. There are 10 hydrogen atoms on the product side, for an NH4 to the power plus and 6 in 3 H2O. Add 10 H to the power plus ions to the reactant side. Number 3 to the power negative plus 10 H to the power plus gives NH4 to the power plus 3 H2O balance charge. The reactant side has a net charge of plus 9, minus 1 plus 10, and the product side has a net charge of plus 1. Add 8 electrons to the reactant side to balance the charge. Number 3 to the power negative plus 10 H to the power plus 8 e to the power negative gives NH4 to the power plus 3 H2O. Equalize the electron transfer between the two half-reactions. The oxidation half-reaction releases 2e to the power negative, while the reduction half-reaction requires 8e to the power negative. Multiply the entire oxidation half-reaction by 4 to equalize the number of electrons transferred. 8e to the power negative total 4 Zn gives 4 Zn to the power 2 plus 8e to the power negative. Combine the half-reactions and simplify. Combine the reactant sides and product sides, then cancel out the 8e to the power negative on both sides. 4 Zn plus 10 H to the power plus number 3 to the power negative gives 4 Zn to the power 2 plus and H4 to the power plus 3 H2O. Verify the final coefficients. The coefficients are 4 Zn, 10, 4 H to the power plus 1, 4 number 3 to the power negative, 4 Zn to the power 2 plus 1, 4 NH4 to the power plus, and 3, 4 H2O. All atoms, Zn, 4, H, 10, N, 1, O, 3, and net charges, plus 9 on both sides, are perfectly balanced. Since the coefficient for number 3 to the power negative is 1, these coefficients are already reduced to their lowest whole number terms. Therefore, the coefficient for Zn is 4. The correct answer is option B, 4.